mode. The original Goldfinger on the bass. All over the place. We got the definitive breakthrough. Your ears only. There's a warlord ready to flex the mic cord and challenges. The world is crawling with these self-assessed scavengers. To anger us, the Scaramanga gangbang and Easter Hope. The British Embassy will start the assault as a result. He's making riches with limousines and silly bitches, running brainwashing music, cleansing like Milosevic's, which is the reason for panic, because the disease is frantically overtaking the world we're faking. To London City for the briefing, the mission's planned. In comes Bond, Moss Moneypenny, he's taking shorthand. He hit the hats and then his plan unfurled. We grabbed Q's gear and now we're ready to take on the world. Private jets sipping brews as we cruise to the States. No debates, we'll be taking out the cheapskates. So now we got the information. We're stationed in the state of New York as we talk, discussing transportation. Got confirmation that we got the esprit. I'm saying that's fine with me and James Bond tends to agree. We crossed the bond with set. Now me and Bond have met. The double O got folded, kicked their asses with this wonderland.
Your ears only. I'm just curious, your hits make me chuckle. Your ears only. Not down around one, cause your hits carry the muscle. Your ears only. I'm just curious, your hits make me chuckle. Your ears only. Not down around one, cause your hits carry the muscle.
Our scout patrol informed us that they got control of the world's media. They're getting greedier, it's time for rock and roll. We got their necks, they aim right at the charts, so after dark we'll take action. Test on their reactions, then we'll disembark. Satisfaction guaranteed for MC. We got the problem underway, making headway in the coupe. To the grimmest of HQs to make tomorrow's news. Bond's got his foot down, cause there's no time to lose. The gold-plated gates are congregated, so we navigate the boundary. Now Bond's astounded me, he starts to fumigate the area. We clear of all the vermin, time to determine how they'll area. So now we're spreading like malaria. Meet at the studio, we'll take out the leader of the Klansmen. Bond's more content with sipping on his Moët and Shandy champagne. Then the lyrics start to rain, but these easy lyrical bullets are sounding too mundane.
Your ears only. I'm just curious, your hits make me chuckle. Your ears only. Not down around one, cause your hits carry the muscle. Your ears only. I'm just curious, your hits make me chuckle. Your ears only. Not down around one, cause your hits carry the muscle.
Now Bond's a winner, but he looks like a beginner, cause instead of fighting bad guys, he's asking girls to dinner. The killer end of level baddie arrived, the fluffy daddy had strife, but now he's flat on his back and he can't pack a punch within this industry. To him it's misery, to us it's jubilation, to this nation running scared cause we broke too many necks. I had a good night and Bond had triple X. We reach headquarters to discuss the slaughter, now we're talking about New York and all this type of shit that we've been going through. I've been expecting you, now take a seat, your mission's not complete, I won't be happy till you get back there next week. Bond looks confused cause we knew we took the mission well, the target fell, it's complete, so what the hell? M leans in, well I've got something to tell, I've decided now as well you have to take out LL.
Your ears only. I'm just curious, your hits make me chuckle. Your ears only. Not down around one, cause your hits carry the muscle. Your ears only.